Numbers continue to improve across Michigan and the United States. We have seen that COVID-19 has disproportionately affected black communities. And now with protests erupting across the country, health officials want to reach those who are continuing to demonstrate. News 8's Dana White talked with them about what people who continue to protest should do to protect themselves. She's live this morning in Grand Rapids. Dana, what did you find out?
Casey, good morning. Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist has called this issue critical. Studies show that black people only make up 14% of the population here in Michigan, but account for 40% of COVID-19 deaths. And that's why health experts want to make sure those who continue to protest to do so safely.
African Americans are dealing with two pandemics. One of them has lasted 3 months. The other has lasted 400 years.
Micah Foster, the executive director of the Grand Rapids African American Health Institute, says the coronavirus's negative impact on African Americans isn't a coincidence.
This disproportionate outcome is a direct result of hundreds of years of structural racism, oppression, and racial injustice.
It's something he's willing to stand up for.
Black men are more likely to receive longer sentences, be incarcerated at higher rates than whites for the same offense. Frankly, we're fed up with the injustice. When the systems around you are designed to remove your voice, remove your power, you have no choice but to take it back.
But he encourages Black Lives Matter protesters to demonstrate safely by wearing masks and trying to keep a distance as much as possible. He says the Health Institute is handing out free face masks to anyone in the community.
Our systems, healthcare, education, law enforcement, policing, housing, they were not built with equality in mind. They were built to promulgate this hierarchy of social value.
And he hopes by continuing to stand up for justice, change will come.
We need to reimagine and re-engineer a new America where equality is built into the structure.
Back here live this morning, and Foster adds that here in Kent County, African Americans make up 10% of the population, but account for 20% of positive COVID-19 cases. We're reporting live in Grand Rapids this morning. Dana White, News 8.